we have two tags that will be video and audio tag. Okay, so in generally we are using this the different way, and what we are building any of like you are seeing in a generally example, you are seeing that YouTube as well, right? In that YouTube, what you are seeing that in generally you are something, you are seeing that videos and all, right? So like that we are performing where you are getting that video URL, and we will place the using src attribute, right? I'll tell you. Here our question: what is HTML media? Okay, and here we have the two types that will be, and it is like a image tag also as well. So we have image and video and audio. Okay, so here what is image tag? What is the syntax for image? Here we don't have the ending tag for image, right? Here image tag, image tag is used to embed images in a web page. So what you're placing from the source to src link, that will be present as well here, so that we have the two types to fetch the image. You can take directly from browser, or else you can download that particular image and place over there in your folder. I'll show you. And here, and after that here image, so it requires the src. Here src means what? Src will be the attribute, so src attribute we need. So after that you placing the one path here, used and includes and alt. Alt means what? Alt means if the image is not present over there, the alt message will be printed. I'll show you, right? So after that what we have? Video tag. So video tag also the same one, and audio and video tag also. The video tag is used to embed video files. Okay, so like audio, it can include controls in the predefined functions we'll have in the controllers only. Controls like play, pause. You can play the image, you can pass the video, and volume also presented. Predefined functions has to be presented in video tag as well, so the behavior and all the things will be happen in this video tag as well. So this is the statically volume. Okay, so and same as well audio tag also there. So what we have in the media tag, we have presents the three types of tag, that will be image, video and audio. Okay, so here the audio tag is used to embed audio content such as music, or sound effects. And here the thing is, the video is supports .mp4 extension, and webam will support. Okay, here in these extensions it will support .mp3 and webam. So the common thing is here, the webam will be the same. And here in the image it will support, actually, that will be .jpg, jpg, png, etc. We have png, etc. Okay, so we will execute the program using this video and audio tags. And open your folder on a desktop, and this is the nested folder what we have taken. This is the nested folder. Inside folder I have created another folder, so you can take cmd here, code space dot enter. So what happened here, the particular folder has to be open in your Visual Studio Code, right? So here you can create one file here, that will be media.html. okay, this is the bytecode. Shift exclamatory enter, this will be the bytecode. You can set the page title here, that will be HTML media. Okay, HTML media. And after that h2, here h2 image examples. Okay, or this image I'm going to fetch the folder here. So img src, and we have the two options to place the image here. So what I am doing here means I am taking image from the browser link, or else I want to download this particular image. So that two things I will show you. Nature image. So I'm going to taking one image. So this one, I'm copying this link, and I'm going to save this one image as well. Save as nature 1. Okay, so save. I'm going to paste that image link here. So this is one thing, and just a second, it is very big link. So, and what I'm doing here, this is the alt attribute, that will be I'm taking here nature 1. Okay, so I'm closing this. What I've said you before, we don't have the ending tag for image, right? So I'm going to executing. Right click on your mouse pad, open in your browser. So what happened, the image is printed here. The image link is not correct actually, so I'll take another image link is properly. Copy image address. Okay, so we will refresh this browser once. So the image is presented. If the image URL is wrong, the alt message will be printed. Okay, so we will see here in the alt message I have given the nature 1. So what happens here, the alt message is printed if the internet is not properly, or else you are giving the image URL is wrong, the alt message will be printed. What you are writing in the alter attribute. Inside of the alter attribute, that will be present. Okay, and this is the one way to present. And next, another way we have, already I have copied one image. I have downloaded one image. I'm going to copying this one into our image folder. So this will be the very important we are using in real-time example, and deployment process also we are doing like this only. Suppose you are doing the deployment, so what happens over there, the image will be not deployed. Why? Because you are taking from the browser. You are deploying entire this folder. You have already placed this image in your folder, so in that the way that will be present. If not, no. So I'll take this image as a name only. Here, image src. What is this? Src will be the attribute, and image one, directly I'm calling that image name what I have downloaded in the folder. So alt message I'm giving as the same name, that will be the nature. So what happened here, we don't have the ending tag for image. Please remember this one. So I'm going to download this, refreshing this browser. Here see, we don't have any differences, the same. This is I have taken the directly from the browser, and this one we have downloaded the image. Okay, so I'm going to give the breakpoint here. What is the breakpoint? And we don't have the ending tag for break also. So this is very big one. PR. So this breaks the line. This is how the way we are taking this one. And next, what we have left over, we have left over with H2. Here we have left over video tag, video. Next, here video. Here I'm setting the width. The controls will be there already in the predefined functions, it will be set it. And here the video I'm taking directly the bootstrap class as well, 320. And height also I'm setting. Here also bootstrap one I'm taking directly, height will be the 20. And here controls, and controls I'm taking here the source link. I don't have any downloaded video here, so that's why I'm giving statically using a src attribute. So I'm giving your video. It will be saved with .mp4 only. Okay, and the type is, I'm taking the type attribute, that will be the video. Okay, video by mp4. Okay, see here. The controls, it is not happening here. Okay, so we have all the controls here. So see here, the video will be like this. it is not presenting anything because we didn't give any downloaded video here. Okay, so audio also the same. Here H2 audio, so here I'm going to taking audio controls, source src, your audio file .mp4, or no, this is extension will be saving .mp3. and here also the controls I'm going to adding. Video controls I'm adding. Okay, already I have added there, so not an issue. This pin, so ending with us. So the type will be I'm taking audio